survey, the ownership of term life insurance plans amongst women in metro cities stood at just 19% as compared to men, who owns the pure protection that is term life insurance plans. Well, I feel we can never ignore the contribution a woman pays to her family. From kitchen to finance, everything is handled by women. अगर चंद घंटों के लिए भी ये घर की लक्ष्मी घर के बाहर रहती है तो घर काफी अस्त व्यस्त सा हो जाता है. Even though a term life insurance policy cannot take her place, but it can support a much needed financial assistance to the grieving family. Term life insurance policy should not be seen as an investment, but one of the prime methods for ensuring complete safety and security of the family members, that is, purchasing a term life insurance plan that meets your specific needs. And for women, this is very, very important. Given the fact that women in India have emerged as equal participants in resource building for families, the reasons for seeking term life coverage for women are significant, isn't it? Unlike a life insurance plan, there are no maturity benefits in a term life insurance plan. That is, if the policyholder survives the plan term, there is no entitlement to any benefit or proceeds, etc. At the same time, however, a term insurance plans comes at a very economical premium rates and that don't put much stress on your pocket. Besides, today there is much ease. The term life coverages nowadays are coming with a written off premium options, which is very much beneficial. This options entitles the policy subscriber to benefits in the shape of premiums paid towards the policy, and you get it after the maturity of the policy term. It's that simple. There is a critical care and disability rider available now, which is covering as high as 64 critical illnesses. And believe me, it's not same like your health insurance plan. It is beneficial and it is from Max Life Insurance. So professionals and salaried women, it's time you must consider having a super security for yourself in the face of term life insurance, because you are precious. Thank you.